Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Dan Good Your Face. I'll be doing a live challenge here on my channel. I'll be taking a $5 to a $1,000 account. Yeah, a $5 going to a $1,000. I did this challenge last year, and I made some good amount of money, good amount of dollars. Yeah, so I want to repeat this challenge again this year to help some of my students to at least get something for themselves too. So if you want to join me in this challenge, follow me on my YouTube channel, because that is where I'll be uploading all my live analysis, live charts, and everything. On my Telegram channel, I'll be dropping my signal there. Yeah, I'll be dropping my signal there. You can also join my Telegram group. So this challenge will start this week. Today is what's today's date? 20th. 20th. Today is 20th July. So I'll be starting this challenge this week. Let's see how far we can go from now till anytime we complete the challenge. But definitely get there. Do you think we can do this and complete this challenge? Yeah. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. We're gonna do it. So I've done it before, and we're gonna do it again. So follow me on my social media platform, my YouTube, my TikTok, my Telegram, my IG, Facebook. So let's get down to the chart, guys. All right, guys. These are the pairs I'm interested in taking this week. Yeah, these are the pairs. NZD Euro USD, AD Euro card, GBP card, and AD USD. Just these 6 pairs. That's what I'm interested in taking this week. So let's go to each of them. Let me explain the reason why I want to take these pairs. First of all, let's go to the weekly time frame. You can see this trade, NZD CHF. It has been bearish. It has been coming down from here. It has been bearish. This is a bearish trade. It has been coming down, and finally it has broken this recent. Sorry, make it clear. It has been bearish from here. It has broken this recent resistance zone, which made this trade bullish. So what I'm looking for this trade is to buy, but I want to catch the advantage of this little sell here, because I believe this trade might have a little retracement down before going up. So I want to catch that little retracement. If I don't get it, and maybe the trade go up from here, that's I've missed this trade. So to catch this trade, I will go to my 4-hour time frame. This is where I drew my horizontal line. This is just like a head and shoulder pattern. Just like a head and shoulder pattern here. It didn't form the shoulder, so it's still in between this range, trending, consolidating. So what I'm waiting for now is for this market to break below this structure, to confirm that it's now going down. Break below this structure, give me a retracement, an edge here. Then with my confirmation, I'll enter this trade down for the retracement. But mind you, this is a counter trend trade, so don't think it's that. I will know how to do it. I will know how to do it. Then I'll know when to get in, know when to get out. Just like a scalping or day trading. Yeah, just like a day trade. So that's for NZD CHF. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD weekly is bearish. You can see it has been creating lows. This is a lower high. It has broken below this structure here. Now it's retesting it. It's retesting it here. It's broken below the structure and it's retesting it here. So, and this is a structure point to here. So here is the structure point. Here's the structure point. So what I'm waiting for is, let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is also bearish. Yeah, daily time frame is also bearish because it has not broken above this recent high. This is the recent high that brought it down, went up, tried to break below here, but it cannot. Went up again, came down. Nope, it has not broken above this place, so it's still bearish. I'm waiting for this trade to give me my confirmation here on the daily time frame, an engulfing candle. If you don't give me that engulfing candle, then I'll wait for this in the 4-hour time frame. Just like a head and shoulder pattern here. This is my head and shoulder pattern. This network should not disturb me. Wait for it here. It's like a head and shoulder pattern. I might even enter this trade soon, but I need extra confirmation that this trade is going my side. It's just like a head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So I'm waiting for the break below here, then the retracement. Let's just take this out. This is the structure of the market here. This is the structure. So I'm waiting for the break below here, for me to take this trade. On the retracement, I'll enter this trade. If I get my engulfing candle, I'll enter this trade. My engulfing candle is my entry signal. My students, you guys know that my engulfing candle is my entry signal. So if I get my engulfing candle on the retracement, I'm going to enter the trade. But if the trade fails to retrace, that's it. I'll miss it. So this is the second pair I'm waiting to enter. The next one is AUD CHF. Wow, AUD CHF is really doing what I want. Yeah, it's doing what I want. Excuse me. If you go backward, you see that there is a very respected zone. Structures here. Yeah, the mini structure here, structure. End time price reaches this place, likely go down. End time price get to that point, it goes down. There is also a psychological level too, a very strong structure point. If you go back, trace it and go back, you will see that price respected this place many times. So price now has gotten to this place here, give us an engulfing candle here, this big red candle, exactly at that respected zone. Price give us an engulfing candle, breaking this recent low here, So what we're waiting for is just the retracement, then sell, and it has retraced already. So what I'll be waiting for now, from before I open any sell position. Okay, if you come here to the 4-hour daily time frame, it has been consolidating here too. Consolidation. Finally it broke down, so went back up again. Now it's at this resistance zone. It's at that resistance zone, and it has given us another engulfing candle there too. You can see the engulfing candle here, this bearish candle, engulfing candle. This is the retracement candle. This blue daily is the retracement candle. If this candle didn't push down or pull down today, the next day is going to make that move. The next day, that is tomorrow, is going to make that move, because this is the retracement candle, this blue one. Then the next day is going to give us that move, but maybe the candle can move today from here downward. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have there. 4-hour time frame have something like a structure here, up, down, double top. This is a double top, broke below this neckline. Now it's retesting here. Let's go to our, if I get my engulfing candle here, I'll open this trade. If I get my engulfing candle here, I need this candle to close below here. If this candle can close below here, I'll open this trade for sale. This might be my first trade, ADCHF. I'll open it for sales here. And check the 1-hour time frame. Our time frame is pretty doing well. You can see it. Up, down, came down. Now it's at this structure point. So if I get a little structure here, maybe a little head and shoulder here, I'll enter this trade. By then it will break this trend line and go down. So that's for AUD CHF. Now let's go over to Euro card. Oh, I think I missed Euro card. I've missed this one already. Why is this pasty here? The pair did not give me it did not retrace. This was the neckline of this trade. The pair didn't retrace. I was waiting for the retracement here, but it's just going down, so there's no problem. We'll miss this one. It's better I miss a trade, wait for extra confirmation, miss the trade. But anyone I get, I'm sure of that one that yeah, this trade will go away, because everything is has all my checklist and all that has been confirmed. All my all my trading confluence has been confirmed that the trade is going down. So it's better I miss trades. Anyone I catch, that one will go well for me. It's better than for me to enter random trades and hit my stop loss. So the next one is GBP card. This trade was here last week. I've been waiting for this last week. All this candle here, I've not printed then. I was waiting for the retracement of this trade, but the trade is retracing with an engulfing candle, which I don't like. The trade retraced with this massive bullish engulfing candle. So I don't know if, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can now see some structures here. Here is a zone, here is a good zone, and here is another zone. So if this trade comes back to this zone here, give me a confirmation candle, I'll enter this trade from here. My stop loss will be right above here. Then I'll target here, the low. But if the trade did not give me any signal here, goes back up to this place, I'll still wait for it to give me that signal, come down again, give me the signal. But right now I can't do anything on this trade, and the trade is about to break our trend line. This is just like a manipulation. It has not broken it well. Okay, this candle has closed below. Candle has closed below here, below this trend line. So I'll still wait for this trade. I like selling from a resistance zone and buying from a support. So this is the resistance zone I see that can give me that move I need. If this trade happens to move from here, there's no problem. I'm fine with it. I miss it. But if the trade comes back up here, then give me my signal, I'll enter for this sell. That's for GBP card. Let's go to AUD CHF, AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, AUD USD, almost the same thing. AUD USD. This trade has been bullish, up. Higher highs. We broke this neckline, this structure here. If you go down to the lower time frame, you see that there is a structure there, came down, and there's another structure point here. All these places I put my horizontal my square, is it what's this my rectangle box. All these places, they are respected zone. If you go down to the lower time frame, you will see them. They are well respected zone. You can see how this trade is creating a lower high. Trade came down, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now lower low is coming to create another lower high to respect this structure point here. So I'll be looking for my confirmation from this place here to sell. My confirmation from this place here to sell. Then it will take me down to my 4-hour time frame. I'm looking for change of structure. That is my chart pattern. Either I use a consolidation or consolidating and breakout. Okay, consolidating and breakout, or my head and shoulder pattern. That is the two things I normally use. I need a clear structure at this point here before I take this trade down. So that's all for USD card. I caught this one last week from here. I waited for the breakout. Sorry. Waited for the breakout. At this point, I thought the trade has left me and is going, but the trade came back here, gave me my entry signal. I caught the trade. Good 1:3 risk to reward, clean trade. I love this trade so much. Very easy trade. So that's all for this week. These are the trades I'm taking for this, and I'm interested in taking this week. I will still update you guys. Anyone I take, I will drop the I'm gonna record it here. By the end of the week I will upload it and see how far we can grow this account.